Hello everyone. In today's video, we'll talk about the ED, one of the most trending topics in the market. So without any further ado, let's dive in. So let's understand what is the ED first. The ED is the Directorate of Enforcement, which is a multidisciplinary organization which is tasked for looking into cases of money laundering and violation of foreign exchange regulations. The Money Laundering Act applies to any money that is obtained unlawfully, whether it is theft, bribery, etc. Money laundering also includes situations where one taxpayer transfers or pays money to a third party without a proper banking method, or even omitting to pay the portion of their taxes to the government. Money obtained in any illicit means to conceal or simulate the illegal income as a proper method or a legal method of income is also considered as money laundering. Now, to deal with such issues, the Money Laundering Act of 2002 was introduced. Now we know about money laundering. Now let's see what the foreign exchange regulations are. Certain types of payments, receipts or securities that are in the foreign currency transactions are controlled and limited to FERA, which is the Foreign Exchange Regulation Act. Any payment made in violation or any receipt made in violation to the act has to face the penalties. So there is a very trendy question now. Is ED more powerful than CBI? Let's see. I feel yes, ED is more powerful than CBI. This is because the evidence and the statements collected by the ED are presentable, but whereas the same or similar statement made in front of the police officers are not. Under the PMLA Act, the ED is also allowed to seize any properties even in the absence of a conviction. Anil Deshmukh, Satyendra Jain, Nawab Malik are actively participating in this research now. Now let's understand what ministry does the ED belong to. So ED is a component of the Ministry of the Finance Department. So this means it falls under the central government, not the state government. Let's now examine how to react to a ED notice. A legal notice will come to you, named the show cause notice. Now you'll get a chance to explain yourself that why you are not wrong or you are not guilty while still outlining the entire offense. The best way to respond to this is give the show cause notice and the entire details to your advocate. He is the right person who will respond to it. You retain an experienced attorney and give a thorough response to the notice. Moving to the final question. Can ED affix family property? Now Karnataka High Court has ruled out that ED cannot affix family properties. So the answer is no. However, ED has filed this in the Supreme Court and the case is still pending. In my upcoming videos, we'll also examine the National Herald case involving Rahul or Sonia Gandhi or Satyendra Jain to understand. So this was the end of the video. If you liked it, please do consider subscribing. Thank you.